Verify Cayley-Hamilton theorem for the matrix A is equal to 2 minus 4 1 5. See, this is 2 by 2 matrix. Here we are going to verifying Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Solution. See, first of all, Cayley-Hamilton theorem means Cayley-Hamilton theorem means every square matrix satisfy its own characteristic equation. See, what is Cayley-Hamilton theorem means every square matrix satisfy its own characteristic equation is called Cayley-Hamilton theorem. See, what is characteristic equation? See here 2 by 2 matrix. So this is, here we have 2 rows and 2 columns. So this is one of the square matrix. So characteristic equation is mod A minus lambda I is equal to 0. This is called characteristic equation. Characteristic equation. See, this is mod A minus lambda I. Here A means given matrix. Next, lambda is one of the scalar. The next I means identity matrix. See here the given matrix is 2 by 2 matrix. So here I also 2 by 2 matrix. Once we substitute these values here, before that here I is 2 by 2, which means that I is equal to 1 0 0 1. This is the I matrix. Now we need to substitute those values A and I and scalar here. That is equal to mod A value is 2 minus 4 1 5. 2 minus 4 1 5 minus lambda is scalar matrix, so it is lambda. Next I means this is 1 0 0 1, so substitute here 1 0 0 1 mod is equal to 0, which is equal to mod, this is as it is 2 minus 4 1 5 minus, now multiply with the lambda into 1 lambda into 0 0 lambda into 0 0 lambda into 1 lambda, close the mod, is equal to 0. Now we are subtracting this minus this, so 2 minus lambda, that is equal to 2 minus lambda. The next minus 4 minus 0. See, first element minus first element, second element minus second element, third element minus third element, and the next last element minus last element. So 2 minus lambda, 2 minus lambda, minus 4 minus 0, this is minus 4. The next mod, next 1 minus 0 1, 5 minus lambda, 5 minus lambda, close the mod, is equal to 0. So this is the determinant. Find the determinant, that is equal to cross multiplication 2 minus lambda into 5 minus lambda, 5 minus lambda, minus cross multiplication 1 into minus 4, 1 into minus 4, which is equal to 0. That is equal to, here multiply these two, so 2 into 5 10, next 2 into minus lambda minus 2 lambda, the next minus lambda into 5 minus 5 lambda, next minus into minus plus lambda into lambda, that is equal to lambda square. Next minus into minus plus 1 into 4, 4 is equal to 0, which is equal to, here is, see, 10 plus 4, this is 14, minus 2 lambda minus 5 lambda, this is minus 7 lambda, plus lambda square is equal to 0. This is the characteristic equation. Write in otherwise, then it will be, see, this is the characteristic equation. See right here, characteristic equation is 14 minus 7 lambda plus lambda square is equal to 0. Now write in otherwise, that is equal to lambda square minus 7 lambda plus 14 is equal to 0. This is the characteristic equation. Here replace, whereas coming to the Cayley-Hamilton theorem, here in characteristic equation replace lambda is equal to a. See, are you following? See here, in Cayley-Hamilton theorem, replacing in characteristic equation lambda is equal to a. So we are replacing lambda is equal to a. Here we have lambda square, but lambda is equal to a. So this is a square minus 7 into lambda, 7 into a plus 14, which is equal to 0. So this is the equation. Now here multiplying both sides with A inverse. Here we are going to multiplying both sides, LHS side and as well as RHS side with A inverse. So that is equal to A inverse into A square minus 7A plus 14 is equal to A inverse into 0, which is equal to, see here, A inverse into A square, that is equal to A inverse into A square minus A inverse into 7A, A inverse into 7A plus A inverse into 14, 14 into A inverse is equal to 0 into anything, 0. See here we know that A power m plus into A power n is equal to A power m plus n formula. So A power m into A power n is equal to A power n plus formula. So here A power minus 1 into A square, that is equal to, this is A to the power 2 minus 1 minus. Next here A inverse into A, both are gets cancelled, it is I plus 14 into A inverse is equal to, since see here A inverse into A is equal to identity matrix. If we multiply A inverse and A, we will get identity matrix. So here also A inverse into A is I matrix. See here I, it is also 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, that is equal to, here A to the power 2 minus 1 is A minus 7I plus 14 into A to the power of minus 1 is equal to 0. Here we need to find A inverse value. So these two are extra values. So if we transform to RHS side, that is equal to, the left hand side is only 14 into A inverse is equal to, then the RHS value is, if we transforming here, so positive value gets negative value gets positive value. So minus A plus 7I, which is equal to 14 into A to the power of minus 1 is equal to, so write in orderwise, that is 7I minus A. We know that I value is identity matrix. I is identity matrix and A value is, this is the given value. So substitute those values here, that is equal to, before that we need to find only A inverse value. Here 14 is a multiplication, so transfer here, that is equal to A inverse is equal to, if we transfer here, that is 7i minus A by 14. So simply we can write this is 1 by 14 into 7i minus A. So A inverse is equal to 1 by 14 into 7. I is the identity matrix, that is 1 0 0 1, minus A is a given matrix, that is 2 minus 4 1 5. Close the bracket symbol. Then 1 by 14 into this is 7 0 0 7 minus, as it is, 2 minus 4 1 5. Close the. Then next one, see, this is A inverse is equal to 1 by 14 into 7 0 0 7 minus, and the remaining is 2 minus 4 1 5. 2 minus 4 1 5. Right. The next, that is equal to 1 by 14. Now first element minus first element, this is first element minus first element, as it is. Second element minus second element, second element minus second element. So 7 minus 2. The next 0 minus of minus 4, 0 minus, here we have negative value, so put the bracket value, close the bracket value. The next, as it is, follow the second row elements. Third element minus third element. Next fourth element minus fourth element. So 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1. Next 7. Here we have negative, negative. The last element is 5. That is equal to 1 by 14 into 7 minus 2. It is 5. See, 0 minus into minus, bracket means multiplication. So minus into minus plus, this is 4. The next 0 minus 1 is minus 1. 7 minus 5 is 2. That is equal to 1 by 14 into 5. This is 4, negative 1, 2. This is the A inverse value. See, this is, we are finding A inverse by using Cayley-Hamilton theorem. So this is the A inverse value. Once we have to verify whether this A inverse is correct or wrong, we need to multiply A into A inverse, which is equal to, that is, A value is 2 minus 4 1 5 into A inverse. A inverse value is 1 by 14 into A inverse 5, 4 minus 1 2. If we multiply these two, we will get the I value. So this is the Cayley-Hamilton theorem.